Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is fine. My name is Abdullah Bukhari Leadership Bala. I'm a student at Johan School, Lahore campus. Foundation level batch 3. And my today's task is to make a review on the TEDx talk, and the TEDx talk is by Nabil Kadir. And I'm going to review the video in English, so let's start the video. In his TEDx talk, what makes an idea? Nabil Kadir explains that our lives follow a certain order, but we are responsible for creating or destroying that order. Through our own choices, he encourages the audience to understand that every decision we make shapes our future and determines the direction of our lives. One of the most memorable parts of the talk is the example of the number zero. Nabil explains that zero has no value on its own, but when it is placed beside another number, it can significantly increase its value. Through this example, he shows that even something that appears ordinary can become powerful when it is connected with purpose and action. He then explains the zero represents our decision, mindset, and attitude. Our thoughts and choices give meaning to our existence. Every decision we make either adds value to our life or takes us further away from our goals. Nabil then talks about the number one, says, "You are the one, you have only one life, and you have only one opportunity." He shares that this lesson came from his grandfather, who advised him, "Nabil, live your life in such a way that when people see you, they want to become better themselves." I found this message very inspiring because true success is measured by the positive impact we have on others. After hearing this advice, Nabil says that he began searching for people who could inspire him. He wanted to understand how great personalities develop themselves during this journey. He met many extraordinary individuals, although some people called them crazy or delusional. They were actually people who dared to dream differently. According to the speaker, these dreamers are the people who know how to turn their dreams into reality. They are change makers who want to improve society and the economy. They think big, accept challenges, learn from failure, and keep moving forward until they achieve their goals. Nabil shares that the group which inspired him the most was entrepreneurs and startup founders. These people solve real problems, create opportunities, and build business that improve the lives of others. Their courage, creativity, and determination make the different make them different from ordinary people. The, the speaker proudly mentioned that he has worked with more than 1,200 startup founders. He has seen them succeed, fail, rise again, develop business plans, create marketing strategies, and grow their companies. Watching their complete journey taught him valuable lessons about leadership, resilience, and innovation. One of the strongest messages of the talk is that every entrepreneur, from Harvard to Karachi, has one common denominator: an idea. However, the speaker explains that an idea is not just a random thought. A real idea is one that solves a problem, creates value for people, and is supported by action, persistence, and execution. Without action, even the greatest idea remains only a dream. And the speaker said the entrepreneurs and the startup founders are the real heroes of the country. And overall, I found this TEDx talk highly motivating and practical. It taught me that ideas alone are not enough. They become meaningful only when combined with the right mindset, wise decision, courage, and consistent hard work. This talk inspired me to believe in my own ideas, continue learning from successful people, and work hard to make a positive difference in society. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you all in the next video. Till then, Allah.